Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the discount not applying issue on Gumroad in 2026. If your discount code isn't applying at checkout, this can cost you sales, especially during promotions, so let's troubleshoot this properly. Now let's start by following the two simple steps, which is to confirm the discount is active. You're going to make sure to sign into your dashboard, your Gumroad account, and then you're going to click on the dashboard here, and then you're going to click on the checkout. Here you're going to see the discount page. As you can see, it says no discounts yet. So you're going to make sure the discount is enabled, not expired, not archived. After that, you're going to check the expiration date. If the expiration date passed, the code won't apply. So extend it or create a new code if necessary. You can also check the usage limit, and if you set maximum usages and it's already reached, the discount will stop working. So increase the limit if needed and verify the product's restrictions. Make sure your products, the discount is attached to the correct products and the customer is purchasing the eligible products. Discounts don't apply across unrelated listings. The fifth thing is to check the minimum purchase rules. And if you set a minimum price requirement, the discount won't apply if checkout amount is below that. You can also test in incognito mode and open the checkout page in a private mode just like this. Make sure to copy the checkout page and then you're going to test the code yourself and this eliminates cache conflicts. Now, discount issues usually happen because of the code expired, reached its usage limit, or isn't linked to the correct product. Double check your discount settings and test the checkout yourself, and your promotion should work perfectly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.